So I want to show off my mid-size multi-tools. I got Victorinox, Gerber, and Leatherman. These are the mid-size ones. I'll show you the Gerber first. See, MP600. Pretty cool looking multi-tool. You can flick it out. So it just flicks out one-handed. And it's got the tape measure here. Tape here. The ruler, I mean. This locks right here and here. I'll show you the tools inside. So you got the nice blade, sheep's foot. Then you got kind of a can opener, flat drive. Then you got another screwdriver, flat drive. Got kind of repetitive on that. We already looked at that can opener. Kind of hard to get them out. You got this, the little flat drive, screwdriver. And then you got a nice file. Cross file there, regular file. I like that they all lock in place. Can opener here. 3D Phillips, which is pretty nice. Looks robust. I think this is just a lanyard. I don't know why you would put that as a tool, to be honest. And then you got serrated blade. That's the Gerber MP600. They made the MP400 before this. Good mid-size multi-tool. This isn't the sheath that came with, but another sheath I got. Pretty compact. You can wear it this way. So that's the Gerber MP600. Let's look at the Leatherman Wave. This one's the black one. I got a silver one too. That's the box it comes in from Oregon, I believe. I kind of like this sheath. I don't like sheaths, but it's pretty cool. You can put accessories in there on both sides. Let's open this beast up. Leatherman Wave, black oxide. I don't have a clip on it, hip clip. I usually do. So you got 4 outside tools. You got the saw, decent size, very aggressive. This side you have just a regular blade. This side, serrated blade. And a lot of people love this, the diamond file. You got the crisscross here, diamond here, you can sharpen blades. And you got a little notch file here. I like the black. Open it up. This is the Gen 2, I believe. There's no interchangeable wire cutter right here. So those are the wire cutters. And you got this for bolts, and then this just as pliers. Let's see what you got in here. You got a flat drive, screwdriver. Here, we'll take this out. Then you got the eyeglass pick screwdriver. That's kind of cool. And you got scissors. Decent sized scissors. Kind of small, but springy. And I think that's it. Did I miss something? Let's see. Nope. So you got 3 in there, and they all lock. Got the locking right there. Let's see here. It's pretty standard. You got the bit exchanger here, and then you got the can opener. Wire stripper here. Bottle opener combo. You got a ruler on the outside. See the ruler, the numbers. actually do measuring like that. If you had to. I like the feeling of this, the Leatherman wave. The Surge is the bigger one. But very nice multi-tool. And then you got the charge above it. So that's the wave. And then you got the Victorinox. I like the case on it. This is the Spirit. And it came with tools too. I can show you them after. But this one, I love the finish on it. And I like how it opens. It clicks. You can feel it. You can see the wire strippers. They're very small compared to Leatherman's. Got like a blunt nose, kind of. There's no outside tools here. I like the feeling of it though. Victorinox Spirit. So everything's on the outside, not the inside. This one, instead of the Swiss tool, you got scissors. Very nice ones. Pretty decent size. I like them better than the wave. And they lock. You have to pinch back and then lock. Then you got flat driver. You got 3D screwdriver. I like that. Let's see what this is. Can opener. And then you got like a flat driver again. Then you got a file. Pretty decent size file. Is that cross? No. And then you have a little bit of file on the bottom too. So when you lock, you have to pull back and then bring it in. Let's see this tools. I love this, the meat cleaver. Pretty cool. Sharp. Then you got, this is the combo tool. Package opener. It's like a chisel package opener. You can see, use that to chisel. See, it's like a blade. And then you got package opener. And then you got wire stripper if you want to. Pretty cool. It's one of the things I really like about Victorinox. And you got a can opener. Drive, flat drive. This is the awl. I don't know really what this is. Maybe to carry things. The loop. And then the last tool, saw. Pretty cool. I like the finish on this though. Feels really nice. The only thing it's missing, in my opinion, is the belt clip. But let's see here. It came with these tools as well, with accessories. Clip's cool too. This is like an eyeglass accessory. See the little eyeglass. You actually put this in, I believe. I forget how it goes. Actually, no. I think this just holds it. Yeah, this just holds it. But this is a corkscrew. And you can actually put it in like this. Let me see if I can do that. Camera. There. Like this. And then you can corkscrew. Pretty cool for wine and whatnot. So it's got that. It's got the eyeglass kit. There we go. I like how it just spins in. Then you got like a socket set. This just kind of goes in. It works. You can put these bits in it. I believe it's magnetic, yep. But you can tighten. I wish this would attach to that, but it doesn't. If you go like this, you can loosen it. You can feel it. Feels good, the gears. But yeah, so those are my mid-size multi-tools. Just wanted to share with you guys. Hope you like and subscribe.